Assalamu alaikum, dear students. May Allah keep you all safe in this pandemic situation. Students, today we will do our grammar topics. And the first topic we are going to do, you will learn about articles. Okay, let's see what are articles. Articles are words used to modify a noun. Basically, they tell you that whether we are talking about a noun particularly or in general. There are two types of articles. Definite article, the. Number two, indefinite articles, are and an. So let's see what are indefinite articles, are and an. Indefinite articles indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than a particular thing. For example, a pen, an apple. So here you see we are talking about any pen or any apple. It's not a particular pen or particular apple, okay? Article a is used before the words which starts with consonants or give the sound of consonant. For example, a book, a chair, a table, a university. Here you see book is starting with the consonant B, chair with consonant C, table with consonant T, but university is in university U is not a consonant, okay? Uh, but the sound is like Y-O-U, U. So this is why we are putting article A. Article N is used before the words which starts with the vowels or sounds of vowel. For example, an egg, an ice cream, an hour. Okay, here you see egg is starting with the vowel E, ice cream with vowel I, but hour is a consonant H. So in the word hour, H is silent and the word starts with the vowel sound hour. Okay, the sound is A. Now come to the definite articles. Word the is definite article. It limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. For example, please give me the hammer I gave you yesterday. I gave you yesterday perhaps. Okay. So here we are talking about particularly the hammer we gave yesterday. No other hammer. Okay. The same hammer which we gave yesterday. This is why we are using article the. Now come to the activity. Fill in the blanks with article a, an, or the. Okay, number one is have you done dash sum that you were asked to do? Okay, here we are particularly talking about the sum which we said you to do. Mean you know about the sum. So article da will be used. Have you done the sum that you were asked to do? He wanted to buy dash loaf of bread, but dash baker's shop was closed. He wanted to buy a loaf of bread, okay? This could be any loaf of bread, okay? But the baker's shop, this is the shop where you often go and buy the bread. So the baker's shop, okay, was closed. Dash hotel that we stayed in had dash beautiful garden. The hotel, okay, you know because you stayed there. आप जानते हैं आप वहाँ ठहरे हुए थे. This is why you have put the article the. Okay, the hotel that we stayed in had a beautiful garden. There is dash book on the table. There is a book on the table. Dash eagle was flying in the sky. An eagle was flying in the sky. Talha ate dash slice of bread. Talha ate a slice of bread. Dash elephant that we saw raised its trunk. Here you have already seen the elephant. You are particularly talking about the elephant which you have already seen. So you will use article the. The elephant that we saw raised its trunk. Indus is the longest river of Pakistan. Here you are also talking about particularly about the river Indus. Okay. dash scarf that she lost was orange and blue. Okay, this is the particular scarf with blue and orange color which she lost. So the scarf that she lost was orange and blue. A little robin hopped up onto the table to eat the breadcrumbs. Okay, students, thank you very much for listening. You have to do this work on your neat copies and submit. Don't forget to write date and day and submit your copies in the school. Thank you very much.